How to create a new account on TEMU app. Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily create a new account on TEMU. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and hit the subscribe button. Let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is you will get to the login portal. And here you actually have different options. You can either continue with Google, you can continue with Facebook, your email, or your phone number. So for now, I'm just going to continue with my email. And what you are going to do here is just enter your email address. And once you do that, just hit on continue. And once you do that, if you already have an account, it will tell you like welcome back. But if you don't have an account, what this will do is send a verification email on your Gmail that you've just entered, and you will have to verify your account from there. For now, I'm just going to continue with this. What you have to do is you just have to go ahead and tap on the Gmail that you want to continue with, and then you are good to go and you should be logged in. So that is pretty much it, guys. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.